Hey. Good, you? I think it's a tornado warning. They have the sirens on. Yeah, you can hear it. You know how most days they have the sirens every first Saturday? And they just have this on now. It is getting heavy. And yes, I am under. Are they shutting down? Did they shut down? Did they shut down the siren? I hear it shutting down. Oh, I just heard it shutting down the siren. Oh, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's been significantly heavier. This is. Oh yeah, our power is off. So this is going to be a long, long time. They say the rain's supposed to stop at like 7 or 8. Oh yeah, I already mentioned it was pretty windy, so. Yep, some people are running outside.
So this is what I was talking about. It's probably technically still considered a thunderstorm hazard for now, but it doesn't mean it's any less dangerous. I don't want you guys to run out of it because this is what alarm goes.
Oh, yeah.
You can see where the gas box is. I don't know if your folks over there, I don't know if they seeing something behind us, because I seen all three of them, they was pointing
Yeah.
back there. They must have seen something here behind us.
Yeah, probably. It's funny. It was sunny out. Now it's just
Yeah, me and Bill was sitting out here talking. You could see the black clouds.
yeah.
And I had just told him, I said, it's going to come. I said, you see that gray underneath? And he said, yeah, because it was real black clouds, and then it was just gray behind it. And I said, that rain's going to be in that gray.
Mm.
And next thing, it just started raining real light. I heard the air conditioner go off.
Mm.
Then it came back on, then it went back out. And that's when I went in the house. And I said, oh, the power's out.
Mm.
Well, depending on if the power come back on or not, you can at least eat cold chicken.
Yeah.
You can warm up your your stuff. But I mean, cold chicken, you know.
Oh, I think I just saw lightning.
Yeah.
I think I just saw lightning.
And pretty soon, when it gets good and wet, I'm on the porch up there. See, that's where the water's coming through, because if it gets real wet up there, and it starts coming through here.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, after you see the lightning, then you hear the thunder.
Yeah.
And they say the faster you hear the thunder, the closer the lightning struck.
Mm.
Well, I'm heading back in.
All right.
Stay out.
All right. What? Huh? Oh, okay. I'll say that they went back inside. Yeah, some people are outside. Oh, saw another flash of lightning. it's not as windy as it was like 5 minutes ago, but it's still raining. I think it's the wind is what. It's not really just the rain. It's the wind that caused all this power outage. But because it moves the power lines around. Yeah, but that siren though. That's something. Yeah, it's funny. Like like an hour ago, it was all sunny out. Now it's all this heavy rain. But yeah. I'm not gonna stay out too long, but just to give you a visual here.